To add functionality to your Ultion Smart, you can use the If This Then That or the IFTTT app to lock your door using Amazon Echo. Once you've installed and registered for the app, search for Danalock. There are loads of really cool features on here, like linking to your smart lights or sending push notifications to other devices. But the one I want to show you is this. Lock your Danalock by voice via Amazon Echo Tap and Dot. Swipe the big turn on button and follow the on-screen instructions. Now, if you say, Alexa, lock the door, it does. Magic.